like straight to Dubai. This pussy off a quint pon dick.
Oh, boy. Welcome guys, Clean Boss back again in a reaction video. Today I react to Chip, My Girl Remix, FEAT, STEFFLON, done, ALKALINE and Red Rat. Yo, you know what I'm name for Red Rat, bro? You think the Red Rat retire? But look at the man still singing, see me? Still do him thing. At a veteran in the dancehall scene. So I'm gonna show you what I did. I don't know STEFFLON than My Girl. I love STEFFLON than ALKALINE, Vendetta Boss, Jamaica represent. And Red Rat, you see me, veteran of the thing too. Because STEFFLON down there, out of Jamaica one day with Buju Banton, and him call up on stage and thank her for represent the dancehall. You see me, even though she not born in Jamaica, she still a Jamaican family, and she represent Jamaica same way still, you see me. So, got me remember too much. He ain't lying. I don't try to jump straight into that video. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Any other video you want me to link it down in the comment section below. Alright, begin now. Oh no!
So you know me after.
Yo, Red Rat look young, see me man. Look at man look like about 20. Oh what? Be a girl in a bikini. Hoo why?
Starting. Champion she a sip it.
Cause the man look young man.
STEFFLON, ALKALINE, Red Rat and Chip it.
Oh no!
Me no want for. Me want money in a pocket to run me head wild. But me woulda never take. But if you stack for a business class like straight to Dubai. This pussy off a quint pon dick.
Oh, boy! Oh God! Wait. STEFFLON, then relax, bro. Just relax. Oof! Oh my God. Yo, I love STEFFLON than bro. Big man team, love STEFFLON than they fuck. Whew. Alright.
But stepping on no man until the pussy get lit. Me will take any girl man and tell her to sit back down and take notes. Them boy want do me, but me want big money. Me no want no juvie, than too smart. None of them can use me. If I feel like him can't fool me. Them love when me whine on my back to talk. Real hard girl on the something when it.
Oh my God. Yo. Again, yo, we gotta tell her again, man. That's the lyrics she can sing both in her Patwa and our UK accent, you see me? Real tired dog.
Face pretty ever clean when me make it up.
I mean, wifey, I want to.
My girl come true. Me want to something and you want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't love you. Fun we are deal with, girl come true. My girl come true. Me want to something and you want fuck too. You don't love
Be a woman in a video, bro.
Fun we are deal with, girl come true.
What punani pretty like a shanty, and every man a try get around to the party.
Vendetta.
Punky the sister the auntie, come in no prejudice. Me love a girl fan she ranchy.
Two, me the prejudice. You see me? I say it all the time, you know. Chinese, black, white, any race, I don't care. As long as they are woman. Me no business. I love you. I love women all from all races. I don't care, bro.
Round up, call your pro once to act like a yo. Make you drink and go up to a big people though. When I look no wife, you know I look no more. Make you drink and go up to a big people though. From me see you, me know you have a good on. And when you walk and you when you run, yeah. We get that body there that me gone. Look like you know if you angle pole. You see yo. My girl, where you feel you can. Oh, you full of tricks on, larges on. Body set like no wrong bang position.
My girl come true. Me want to something and you want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't love you. Fun we are deal with, girl come true. My girl come true. Me want to something and you want fuck too. You don't love me and me don't love you. A fun we are deal with, girl come true. Me with a shame, take them girl and them left in a pain. Pussy boy now throw dirt on me name. Hey boy, why you want give man bad name?
Yo, left the man girl, not why I take the man girl. Left the man girl. What am I did? Yo. All know me can't. I shocked the way I read it. Man, look how I read it, dad. Man, look. Man, about 40 something, almost 50. I don't remember still, but read that in the game a long time, bro. And the man look like about 19 years old. Crazy, bro.
Oh no. When there's bare gal I road, call that easy street. Chatty patty boys call them cheesy beef. I don't fuck with you, so don't speak to me on my Cardi B shit. Yo, oh no, I'm mad me. 5 gal I squeeze in the back of the taxi. Penthouse suites to them view, you mad me. Man, them a straight, they can't relax me. Wavy max, be couple gal want trap me. Male groupies can't stand. Take for yourself, you ain't part of the gang. The wall of them gal left it jump in a cab. Cause the wall of them gal want flex with the fam. My girl, come true. Me want the something and you want fuck too. You don't love me, I'm gonna love you. Fun we are deal with, gal come true. My girl, come true.
You understand, yo? What the world I do without woman? The world couldn't survive without woman, boy. Like, ladies are, you know the funniest thing too? Some women don't realize how important them is, you know. Women come like them more valuable than diamond and iron. Well, I'm not putting that fast, but woman valuable more than any other thing on this planet, bro. When I think about it. Without woman, you can't have life, bro. Some woman very valuable. And the man them for treat woman them like queens, bro. Some of them.
Something and you want fuck too. You don't love me, I'm gonna love you. I deal with, girl come true.
Me woulda shame, the girl call him a cool. A big man, she no want a little youth. If she not tell him, make me tell her the truth. I mean, she want to not see how me cute. So all of them girls, they a feel me. You see me? Me ask anyone, them a kill me. Look how she a jiggle and a twerk and a spin it. You know from me back when the girl me go after me winning. Make sure you can bubble and wine on the dick. No struggle when you climb on the dick. Girls spend time on the dick. Even though it tick, be my superstar girl. Shine on the dick and wine like a clock girl. Tick, tick me a boy, make your pussy start drip. Drip girl, right that.
Yo, what are you thinking of that?
Girl, just swallow, don't spit.
Oh no! But say, yo, swallow, don't spit.
Fun we are deal with, girl come true. My girl come true. Me want the something and you want fuck too. You don't love me, I'm gonna love you. Fun we are deal with.
I'm like the video. Girl of all races in the video, see me? Girl of all races in the video. You see me? Beautiful ladies, bro. Woo. And Teflon done Alkaline Benja's a boss, you see me? I'm cracking at Miami. Miami that man, you see me? Jana Star, yo, ready what still I can't name things still, you know what I'm gonna hear that as I said before? But Teflon done, Alkaline Benja's boss, Chippy, and I would have read that still probably from UK or something, you see me? But song, like the flow, like the video, you see me? Girls them and I don't know if I love the woman them, you see me? But at the end of the video, guys, remember, peace out.
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in the Benz.